the amount of silly villains I see with their backs to the public, just doing things in a major city like this. It's just, I saw like 4 of them just now, and I just wanted to like stop them and just say, you guys, that is exactly how you get jumped. And it ain't even, it's black people, it's white people, it's everybody. Dudes with braids, with acting like, looking like they're all hood. Can I zoom in on this? Can't zoom in on it from here. Dude's over there by the stoplight. If you look close, he's just sitting there face down in his phone. Oh, he finally turned around. It was so bad. He ain't gonna see me because he isn't paying attention to anything, right? But situational awareness, you guys. Look at my man. Look at my man. That is exactly how you make yourself an easy target. And he's not the only one. I see like 3, 4. I saw 4 people doing that in this one walk through the city. It's like those phones take everything out of people's brains. Anyways, I want you guys to live safer lives. You know, and we're in a major city right now, and everybody's acting like, you know, they're all hip and like rap pop culture, but like no one's got street sense, and it amazes me, you know, because homie, that is how you get jumped. I've seen like 3 or 4 people doing this since I've been out here, and I'm just like, you guys, situational awareness, back up against the wall, you know, make sure you make eye contact with people, pay attention. I make these videos because I love you guys. Come on, let's go. Boom, it's finally here. Go to protectornation.com to join the Protector Nation community. Learn online and become part of our Protector Nation family. I look forward to seeing you guys there, and for us all to join forces to make the world a safer place by helping good people to become more dangerous. I'll see you there, and until then, be peaceful but not harmless.